Don't forget the date, 8th of December, Monday 2025, Talkatora Indoor Stadium, Delhi, India. I do invite global educationists, global leader from the field of education and learning. You may be a professor, you may be a lecturer, or you may be a teacher in primary school across the world. You may be the student of any country. You may be from USA, UK, you may be from European Union, you may be from Canada or any South African country. You may be from Australia. Come join. This is one of the biggest training as well as the educational seminar in India, where the youth, the student, faculty members, teachers, vice chancellor, so many other eminent personalities from media as well as the politics intellectuals, they are coming together. Approximately 3,000 people, 3,000 invitees are expected to join this mega training event. If you are from foreign land, if you are an educationist, professor, teacher, come join. This is a golden opportunity to you. Come join and feel the vibrant environment of Indian education system. Come interact with the educationists of India, with the students, interact with the professors, with the lecturers, with the teachers of Indian education system. Try to find out, try to experience the vibrant nature of Indian education system. It's a school, it's college, it's environment. Try to find out, try to hunt what kind of potential it may be available. In news, there are several kind of the news that the entire world, top leading universities, they are coming to India to establish their Indian campus. That's why I am saying, I am inviting, this is a golden opportunity to the foreign land professors, institutions, universities. Come, join and experience the value, the ethics, the core philosophy, the core potential of education system, education world of India. Thank you very much. Don't forget the date, 8th of December, Monday 2025, Talkatora Indoor Stadium, Delhi, India. Thank you.